Hey guys, it's Kiara from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to continue on our process of making money with Clickbank using mind lead gen secrets here. So let's go ahead and log into the account here. Oh, by the way, if you want to start this, you know, it's at the bottom. It's on the link. It's a link in the description there. What mind lead gen secrets is, it's basically a process in which you can mail people offers um, using the emails, and you collect 100 emails every single day. Unless you get a sale with my lead gen secrets, then you get bonus leads, and it goes up to 200 leads a day. So currently right now, I could mail. Let's see how many I can mail. I can mail 25,000 people right now because I've been in the system for so long and been getting 200 leads per day every single day for about 3 or 4 months now. So that's what we're gonna do with the Clickbank. We're gonna try to make some money with Clickbank using that system, which works really well. It's the easiest, simplest way I've tried to make money with Clickbank. You know, and the offers that we get, I've never really gotten a refund yet on any sales. The ones I promoted with Clickbank anyway. Oh man, I just skipped a whole lot. Hold up, sorry about that. All right, so with Clickbank, you want to click on the link in the description, do all the stuff. Very simple to do, name, all of that good stuff. Log in, put your bank, get your bank or whatever you want it to be, hooked up to it, your PayPal, whatever you want, and click on Marketplace here. You click on Marketplace and you come to this page here. This is where you can pick a product to promote once you get inside Clickbank. But what you want is e-business and e-marketing, because like I said, people who sign up to my lead gen secrets are interested in making money online. So that's the type of product you want to promote to them. So e-business, e-marketing, employment, and jobs can work as well. But you want consistent sales, you want to go with e-business and e-marketing. Now, this can work with other niches as well, because there are people that's just not why they signed into my lead gen secrets. They signed in for e-business, e-marketing offers. So that's what we're going to promote to them. So anyway, from what I've noticed, once you come in here, you can click on gravity if you wish. Personally, I think I'll keep it on rank, because as far as I can tell, the best offers to promote are the top two here. WriterApps.com and Get Paid to Use Facebook, Twitter, and on YouTube. I believe these offers are going up on Clickbank because people are starting to realize you can use my lead gen secrets to promote these offers. That's why I think they suddenly started growing, because, well, this product's been number one for a minute now. This one has not been. It's number two here with rank wise. So it recently got to this point. So I'm assuming that's because of my lead gen secrets. I've seen a lot of people promote it with my lead gen secrets lately. So I think that's the case. And what you want with my lead gen secrets, this is just one account, but it is recommended to have 2 to 5 accounts and be an affiliate for yourself when you sign up for the other accounts, just so you can make sure to have 200 leads every day instead of 100. So we're gonna go back to Clickbank here. We want this here, so we need an email to send. So that's what we're gonna find here. Now, from my understanding, we click on email swipes here. Now, what has worked the best for me is something like this: 150 a day, uploading, blah blah blah. Then I put the name up there. This is let me look at all the emails real quick. See what makes. I think that I'm gonna go with this here. I like that one. I don't want to say remote job. I want to say posting on Instagram or something like that. So that's what we're gonna do. Let me see what email is. Upload Instagram pic, posting on Instagram. That's what I'm gonna pick. I'm gonna pick the same email, but just pick posting on Instagram or something like that. Okay, that's gonna be the title because you need to get them into the email. So that sounds more enticing than remote job. So that's what I'm gonna do here. So we're gonna put it like this. This is how we're gonna do it. Posting on Instagram. Posting on here. Let's say posting on Instagram, first name fits. That's what we're gonna do. Alright, like that. Did I spell Instagram right? I'm not even sure. I think I did. Yeah, I did. So we're gonna copy this here. Blah blah blah, high name, blah. So we're gonna copy that. Go here, come here, come here, delete this. Copy. There. Put our name here. Right. Alright, it looks pretty solid. Hit the name here. First name fits. Make sure to include first name fits. It makes it more personal, makes them more interested in clicking on your email. So you want to always try to be a little bit more personal. First name. Alright. That looks pretty good, I think. We scan it real quick. Yeah, that looks good. So we're gonna hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does is makes it so they check the email. It makes it so it sends the email right around the time they usually check emails every day. So we're gonna send the email here. We're gonna make sure that we gotta put a link. Sorry, I forgot about that. Hold up. All right, so let's get the link here. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go here. Yeah, this product's working really well for me, so I think it'll work well for you, especially if you're using 5 accounts and it's been over a month. You're gonna start getting a ton of sales on this particular account, offer here. This is the offer you want to kind of stay on. This one really good, works really well. You can try other offers, but this is the one that works the best in my opinion so far. Out of all the ones I tried, and a ton of people done tried. So yeah, this is the offer to go with. All right. Anyway, we're just gonna preview it, make sure the link works. Does it work? Yes, it works. All right, so boom, an email, and we done. There we go. Yeah, posting on Instagram, $8.75 a week. Posting on Instagram sounds a little bit more enticing than $8.75 a week remote job. The reason why that is because remote job sounds a little bit more like we don't know what we doing. Posting on Instagram sounds easy. You know what I mean? Sounds easy to make a lot of money easily. So that's why I changed it up a little bit. Try to make it more enticing to click on, because that's the interest. The interest is to get them to click on the email. You probably ain't clicking on $8.75 a week remote job offer. That sounds generic, you know? Posting on Instagram, $8.75 a week. Oh, that sounds interesting. I kind of want to do that. You know what I mean? So yeah, it's more of a case of just trying to figure out what you would click on. You know what I mean? So you might have to change your email just a little bit, especially when it comes to these type of emails that everybody's promoting. So they probably get multiple. They might get multiple emails from people with similar messaging. So you might want to just change it up a little bit. All right, so that's all that is for that today. Also, one more thing. When there's a offer for $20 a month for $20 a month, you can start your own business. That works a lot better than Clickbank because it collect payment. You can collect payments, recurring payments with it for 20. You know, you can start with $20, and I will leave a link in the description for that. It's called Saving Highway Global. It's about saving money. It's about making money. Check that out. Give that a shot. That works better than Clickbank because each sale is worth so much more. Each sale is worth so much more because it's recurring income. Let me show you here. All right, Saving Highway Global. All right, see that? I haven't gotten any sales this week, but as you can see here, I still made $25. That's because of sales I got in last week. Made $110 so far with it, and got more money. It ain't added this 25 yet. This 25 got to transfer over because I just made it this week. It pays weekly, so once this gets off the map here, it'll come up over here. But yeah, you want to use Saving Highway Global if you want to make more money and you want to build like an income, each sale is worth so much more, you know what I mean? So that's all I want to show there. I think that's all I wanted to talk about. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Stay on this journey with me. We're gonna get you out of that job. You won't need it anymore if you follow these steps. But you gotta use. Now you won't build up fast with just one account. I'm getting sales on this one account, but not enough to like pay for everything, pay for my bills and stuff, all my bills and stuff with just one account. You want 5 accounts for that. You can consistently make around $3,000 to $4,000 after a month or two on having 5 accounts. If you daisy chain them, make sure you daisy chain, become an affiliate for yourself. You can consistently make around $3,000 to $4,000 a month. Maybe a little less, maybe a little more. It depends. And it will continuously climb because you're getting more and more leads every single time. And you constantly emailing them. And that's the thing. Most sales take around, you have to mention it 10 times before you get a sale sometimes with a lot of people. So the fact that you're make sure you constantly email them every day, you'll get sales. So that's what I want to that's all I want to talk about there. And yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I wish you all the best of luck. Peace.